KCET champions. I hope all my dear children are doing absolutely great. So there's a common buzz around nowadays, and in the form of comments, in the form of live chats, that is, when is KCET examination happening? Is it in the month of May or in the month of April? Because ma'am, some people are saying it was put officially that it is happening in the month of May. So let's clear that up. This is also an official, what do you call, a website of KEA. If at all you go ahead and click on admissions and then go ahead click on UGCET 2026, you see an official update, and that is KEA examination schedule. Let's check it out. Okay, once you click on that, you see on 23rd 4th 2026. What is fourth month? January, February, March, April. So 23rd April, my dear children, your first examination is going to happen at 10:30, and the exam is what? Physics. At 2:30 you will have the second examination, and that is chemistry, each of 60 marks. 24th you would be having mathematics at 10:30 and biology at 2:30. Now those of you who have to give the Kannada language test, now this should not be given by everyone. Obviously I have explained more about it in a separate video, who has to give the Kannada language test. Those of you guys who have to give the examination, you have to give it on 22nd of April. 22nd of April, that is before all these major examinations, you would have to give your Kannada language test. Again, the timing for it remains the same. It is 10:30, but it might end up at 11:30 itself, 1 hour only. Okay. So please go watch those videos if at all you want to check whether you have to write this examination or not. And also for everyone who is watching this video and who think that this channel is helping you out, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button right now. You'll get all the updates that is important for you guys. Yeah. And also one more very important thing, that is everyone who is preparing for KCET, I want your special attention for this, and that is ABHYAS KCET test series. So this is something that we have launched the previous year also, and we launched it this year because of the immense amount of results that we got. So thousands of children got placed in great colleges out there. And just imagine, out of 3 lakh people who are appearing for examination, if at all you are someone who is getting your ranks in hundreds. For example, Prajwal with rank 171 was there, Kiran with rank 443 was there, Deeksha with rank 693, and the list is endless. It is ongoing, right? So my dear children, if at all you see these numbers, it's because that they worked really hard, and also they preferred the right resources. So yes, you might be a hard worker, but also you need to refer to the good resources out there. I'll say ABHYAS KCET test series is one such thing. But obviously you do not have to take it because I am telling you. You can check it out for yourself. There are 35 KCET mock tests over here which you can take at your own place. It's online, completely online, and 4 of them are free. If at all you want, go check it out. Check these 4 free trials, and there will be chapter wise KCET PYQs. This is put in a thought that anyone who is preparing for their PU2 boards, once their chapter is done, they can probably go do chapter wise KCET preparation as well with the help of chapter wise KCET PYQs. Now this will be in the form of a quiz. Okay, so 60 minutes will be there for 60 questions, so that you get an understanding about your speed and accuracy as well. Okay, so, and this was not there the previous year. We didn't add chapter wise quiz the previous year. This time we are doing it. As I said, it's because of the reason that you are preparing for boards, and it might be helpful for you. Yeah, the price remains to be the same. We have not changed it. It is rupees 1499. If at all you want to know more about it, you can check out the link in the description section, and go check it out and take an informed decision. Okay, and that's all. Wishing you all the best, and if you have any queries that we can solve, definitely let us know. Okay, so take care. Bye bye. See you really soon.